Hello, my name is Ravi. I'm the chief advisor and mentor of Aashwasan and also CEO and co-founder of Appiance, a disruptive software product company. Today, I want to talk about little bit about my journey as a practitioner at Aashwasan. I joined Aashwasan in 2005, the year it began. In fact, on May 23rd, which is about exactly 18 years back. So I joined Aashwasan in May of 2005. How do I describe the impact? What I was before joining Aashwasan and what I am now, there's a hell and heaven difference. There has been a 180-degree shift, and I can truly say that I'm reborn. I can't even visualize or fathom going back to those times. What changed in me? Potential which I never thought existed inside me has come out. I never thought I could be a poet. I never thought I could write well. I never thought I could touch my emotions so deeply. I never thought that ideas, concepts will flow through me like a river in a very seamless manner. So Ashwasan has been that vehicle for me which has brought out all my innumerable talents, potential, has accelerated my journey like never before. All the problems, issues, unresolved emotions which I kept inside them and I didn't even know that they were inside me have been addressed so beautifully and so remarkably that I feel clean within. I feel there's a hygiene inside which is allowing me to be more focused, to be more dedicated, and to be more committed in my journey. As a practitioner, when you reach out and when you make a difference in others people through Rashmi and through Ashwasan, the fruits of what universe gives you is indeed remarkable. On this anniversary of Aashwasan, as it completes 18 years and has reached out to thousands and millions of people all over the world, has made a profound difference and impact in everybody, has made a profound impact in me. I would like to wish Aashwasan a beautiful, beautiful 18-year anniversary and hope it grows by leaps and bounds.
Aashwasan for me has been sort of a beacon of hope. So there were a lot of periods in my life whenever I felt like I had no hope or I felt like there was no solution or whatever. Aashwasan, I would inevitably just call up my practitioner and I would come to Aashwasan, so when I was a client. And, somehow we would find a way. There would be a way, so it's just that no matter how dire your situation, there's hope. Rashmi has been a lot of different things. Every time I meet her is memorable. I remember I met her at an event and she greeted me, "Hi Nishchal," and all that stuff, and I wasn't really aware of what was going on with me at that time, and she said to me, she said something very specific. She said, "They'll all be with you in the end," and I had no idea what that meant at that time or why she said it. And she's like, "Is that what you needed to hear?" And I said, "Probably." And she's like, "Oh, probably, okay." And so I don't know, I felt it was really silly of me to say that, but it's only now do I realize what she was talking and how she was offering hope at that time. So that's kind of what she is. She is an embodiment of hope.
Aashwasan is the place that teaches you your own beauty, teaches you how to find comfort in challenges and how to navigate through difficulties, making everything else seem so easy. I want to thank Aashwasan for being there, and I want to thank Rashmi for making Aashwasan, for giving us Aashwasan, for being that Aashwasan in so many of our lives. We all need an Aashwasan and a Rashmi in our lives. Thank you.
You're such an inspiration person in my life, and you've been very supportive in all the way, in every moment. Thank you for being there in my life. Love you, ma'am.
It was just going back to memory lane and thinking of the first day I have met you, which was on a Mother's Day. I think that was universe way of gifting me a second mom to nurture, to guide, and be there for me at all times. I think every meeting with you has been a moment to cherish for me. All the warmth that you have shared with us, all the love, and all the support that you have always extended. Gratitude and thank you for everything.
Ashwasan mean to me is hope. Before, I never used to get more clarity, and my behaviors was something, it was little bit rash. After when I reached to Ashwasan, now, I can be more awareness about myself, and I can connect more deeper to me. See, actually, when I meet Rashmi Aiyappa, I forget everything. I feel more than the body, I can connect to her soul. I feel her soul is holding me, and her soul is supporting me. Her soul is guiding me. Wherever I go, I feel her soul is, protecting me.
Ashwasan is a faithful place, and it means a great hope for me. Me to uh, experience my talents and me to feel myself completely. So I'm saying that it's a space for hope and love. Actually, I have delivered a congenital disease baby. So when I was in very tough time that I don't know how to go about it with my child, and one day madam came and she told me that you don't worry that she'll walk when she's at 5 year old. So it been a great hope again, and that memory and that experience, that time, it keeps me to walk, ahead with my child in my life. And today she's walking, so that been a great memory. Thank you so much for everything what I got and getting in Aashwasan.